Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 16 on modern Android devices. First, understand that FIFA 16 was released quite some time ago, and its original design targeted older Android operating systems. Modern Android versions, like Android 14, have different security protocols and system architectures. This means direct installation often fails, requiring alternative methods to get the game running smoothly on your device. We will explore these methods to ensure you can enjoy the classic football action. To begin, you will need to acquire the necessary game files for FIFA 16. This typically involves two main components: the APK file, which is the application installer, and the OBB data file, containing the game's assets. It is crucial to download these from a trusted source to protect your device from potential security risks. The OBB file, in particular, is quite large, often exceeding 1 GB, so ensure you have sufficient storage space and a stable internet connection for downloading. Once you have both the APK and OBB files, the installation process can begin. First, install the APK file, but remember to enable install from unknown sources in your device's security settings beforehand. After the APK is installed, do not open the game immediately. Instead, navigate to your device's internal storage and manually move the OBB data file into the correct folder. This folder is typically located at android/ob/com. Game, FIFA 16, ensuring the game can access its assets. Even with proper installation, you might encounter some issues. If the game crashes or fails to load, try clearing the game's cache and data through your device's app settings. For better performance, especially on older or less powerful devices, consider using a game booster application. Also, ensure your Android device has at least 2 GB of available RAM for smooth gameplay. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve minor glitches, allowing you to enjoy FIFA 16 without interruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.